Assalamualaikum Doctor, my name is Nurul Amisa binti Amir Hussein from Group 19. This is our project Part A Network Infrastructure Design for Law Firm branch in Bali. This is our member for Part A. Here is a table of task distribution among the members.
This proposal outlines a secure and scalable network setup tailored for a high-profile law firm's branch in Bali. The design includes wired and wireless access for key office areas, main reception and administration, partner offices, and meeting rooms. As the branch also acts as a disaster recovery site and runs a self-hosted case management system, our design ensures high availability, data protection, and seamless integration with existing firm infrastructure. Each zone is designed with proper wired and wireless access, while clients are provided isolated Wi-Fi with limited access. The network also supports seamless roaming and critical server backups, making it a reliable environment for legal operations.
This is our network design where we use efficient VLAN segmentation to separate and secure different areas of the office. Now I will explain about network infrastructure. The new office router will connect to a core switch via trunk port to allow the router to carry multiple VLAN across a single physical link. It also connects to the main office router through a VPN tunnel for secure and encrypted communication, which fulfills the requirement that legal staff can access all resources across branches. And it also connects to the internet. Next is about server room, where all servers are placed in VLAN 60. The devices included in this VLAN includes file server to store and share documents among the staff, storage server as backup location for critical data, case management server as this new office have self-hosted digital case management system, and lastly DHP server to assign IP to all VLAN via DHP relay. All servers were connected to access switch which connect to the main switch using trunk port. There also a firewall box that is connected to this VLAN to restrict server access only to authorized VLAN.
Next, I will explain the administration area. This area is designated for administrative staff and users on VLAN 10. It uses a star topology where all devices connected to a central managed switch. We choose this topology because it's simple, cost-effective, and reliable. Devices in this area include PCs, IP phones, a printer, and Wi-Fi access points, all linked to the managed switch. This switch is then connected to the core switch, allowing inter-VLAN communication and internet access. By isolating administrative traffic through VLAN 10, we enhance both network security and performance. Only admin staff have access to a sensitive system and internal resources in this VLAN. Next is the main reception. The reception area also uses a star topology and operates on VLAN 20, which is logically separated from the admin network. Devices here includes PC, IP phones, printers, and Wi-Fi access points, all connected to their own central switch. This VLAN supports general staff at the front desk, handling day-to-day client interactions. The VLAN 20 network uses a separate IP range, and VLAN tagging ensures that both VLANs can operate on the same physical infrastructure while remaining logically isolated. In both areas, the Wi-Fi access point connects to the switch and provides secure wireless access for staff devices.
Next, I will explain about the two meeting rooms. A star topology was chosen as 2 RJ45 ports were given in the assignment, and it is also a good topology for reliable connections. Devices include staff Wi-Fi, client Wi-Fi, PCs, and meeting equipment such as microphones, smartboard, projectors, a conference kit for both meeting rooms, which are connected with connection switch that is also connected to the main switch. VLAN 40 is used to separate the staff and client traffic that allows devices to have a dedicated network segment. A firewall is added to the client Wi-Fi to ensure that a boundary is set for which part of the company they have access to. A backup server and self-hosted digital case management system is also provided for both meeting rooms.
Hi, my name is Nur Rafina binti Hainis. I will explain the network design for partner office of the law firm, focusing on VLAN 30. Use type of topology is star topology, in which each office use 148 port managed switch to connect its 30 devices. Both switches connect to a center core switch that handle routing between VLANs. One wireless access point is installed in each office to support mobile devices, and it is also assigned to VLAN 30. VLAN 30 is assigned the IP range from 192.168.1.65 to 192.168.1.126, giving us 62 usable IP address.
Now I will explain on VLAN 50, which is dedicated to client. Client can connect to the network using Wi-Fi guest, and they will be placed in VLAN 50. They will get an IP address from the DHCP server in VLAN 60 using the DHCP relay. As there are many firewalls implemented in the network, only the DHCP traffic is allowed from VLAN 50 to VLAN 60. All other traffic is blocked, so client cannot access other internal VLAN or server. Devices in VLAN 50 can only access the internet.
For conclusion, in our network design, we use the 192.168.1.0/24 subset in each office area connected through the both wired and wireless access. Wireless connectivity is seamless across all zones to support mobility. VLAN segmentation is implemented to separate traffic and improve security. Partner offices are assigned to VLAN 30, and client access is restricted using VLAN 50 with firewall rules. A firewall and access control list are used to control both inter-VLAN and communication and WAN access. Legal staff have full access to resource all branches through the core network, supported by a secure VPN connection. We have also deployed a self-hosted digital case management system along with backup server for disaster recovery. Trunk ports are used between switches to ensure VLAN information is carried across the network efficiently. This design is ensure secure, reliable, and scalable operation for the law firm.